Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Forerunner 55 with Strava. First, download the Garmin Connect app to your smartphone and either create a new account or login. Next, pair your Forerunner 55 with the Garmin Connect app using Bluetooth. Make sure your watch is charged and close to your phone for a smooth connection. This initial setup is crucial for all your activity data to sync correctly and efficiently. Once your Forerunner 55 is connected to Garmin Connect, open the app and find the Settings menu. Look for third-party apps or connected apps and select Strava from the options. You'll then be prompted to log into your Strava account to authorize the connection. This step grants Garmin Connect permission to send your activity data directly to Strava, making your fitness tracking seamless and automatic. After authorizing the connection, simply record an activity like a run or a bike ride using your Forerunner 55. Once you save the activity on your watch, ensure it syncs with the Garmin Connect app. Within moments, your activity data, including distance, pace, and heart rate, will automatically upload to your Strava account. This hands-free process means your efforts are shared without any extra steps. If you encounter any syncing issues, first check that both your Garmin Connect and Strava apps are updated to their latest versions. A stable internet connection on your phone is also essential for data transfer. If problems persist, try disconnecting and then reconnecting Strava within the Garmin Connect app settings. Finally, review your Strava privacy settings to ensure your activities are visible as you intend. These steps resolve most common syncing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.